Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the inner door panel so you can access the lock actuator and linkage. Once done, make sure to disconnect the battery if you'll be testing electrical parts. This prevents short circuits. Use a 10 mm wrench for bolts and a small trim tool to pry clips without breaking them. As you work, keep fasteners organized in order. This saves time on reassembly. The goal here is clear access to the actuator, rods, and electrical connector so you can diagnose the fault quickly. Now you diagnose whether the problem is mechanical linkage or the actuator motor. First, visually inspect rods and clips for bends or detached ends. A loose clip often causes intermittent failures. Next, reconnect the battery briefly and use a multimeter to check for 12V at the actuator connector while someone presses the lock switch. This tells you if power is reaching the motor. If power is present but no movement, the actuator is bad. If no power, trace the wiring and switches for continuity before replacing parts. You finish by replacing the faulty actuator or refitting bent rods and new clips, because proper alignment ensures reliable locking. Once replaced, coat connectors with dielectric grease to prevent corrosion and reattach wires firmly. Reinstall the door panel and reconnect the battery, then test the lock and key fob through 5-10 cycles to confirm smooth operation. If it still fails, check the fuse, ground points, and central locking module as a next step. These common trouble spots explain persistent electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.